Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing great. As we all are aware that Institute has already come out with this opt-out option for our July attempt students. July attempt students who are originally May, went to June, now finally it's happening in July, August. Question mark. Whether it is happening or not, we don't know. Institute also doesn't know. So Institute in this entire confusion has shifted the entire onus on the students. Conveniently now the students have to decide whether they will give the July exams, those July exams which are uncertain as of now. Of course, now in this scenario, there's going to be a lot of confusion whether you should opt out or whether you should not opt out. And seeing the current scenario, I will just tell you simple 2 points which will help you to take your decision. So very like the institute only, I am also saying that decision is totally yours. The ball is in your court. You have to decide this. Yes, I will give you the points which will help you to make your decision. Okay. So the first thing I would like to tell is about those students which are totally prepared for the July exam, who are studying with full josh, who know that we want to give this exam and who really want to give this exam. Then those students, my dear, definitely who have prepared well, who have studied well, and there is no uncertainty about your preparation. Uncertainty about exam is there, which nobody can avoid right now. But there is no uncertainty about my preparation, and if it happens, I'm ready to give it, and I have not wasted time only thinking all the time whether exam will happen, and I'm preparing for that exam. So definitely you should not opt out of the scheme. You should opt out of the exam, I mean. You should continue sticking there because you don't know what will happen, but at least you're preparing according to that. Then if the exam does not happen because of the corona situation, which we all are aware of, which is rising day by day, and the uncertainty is becoming it's coming at its peak now, in that scenario I would definitely suggest you that you just prepare for July, you don't opt out, and then whatever happens you leave it to fate because you can't do anything about it. So those students don't opt out at all. Now I come to my other category of students who are, I think, majority of the students. One, they are uncertain about their own preparation. Why? Obviously because some books have been left in the hostel, you are at home, the entire scenario in your city or in the locality that you stay is not very good enough. There's all problems around and you have not been able to focus on studies. Rather you're focusing on all other things, whether exam will happen. If exam gets cancelled and you feel less guilty, na, I didn't give the exam. So those kind of students who are there. Or another part would be those students who would want to give the exam, but because of the scenario or because of the health reasons, because of their family, they are a bit afraid of giving the exam. Obviously because you have elders at home, you have children at home. In fact, the risk will become very high. In that scenario, you are preparing, you want to give, but you don't want to give because of these reasons. Then you also come in this category. And now we also have those students who actually were planning to give one group earlier, now they're planning to give both the groups because now they've got more time to study. So those students definitely can go for November exams. So all these students which I'm saying are definitely the ones who should opt out. Clear that confusion of your mind and start studying properly for November attempt, because in this uncertainty you're wasting more and more days. So opt out and start studying afresh. Anyways, the matter is just of 2 or 3 months which is going to make the difference. If you give July exam, if it happens in July, August, whenever, results will be coming somewhere around October, November. If you give November exams, the results will be coming somewhere in the month of Jan. So definitely if you look at the scenario, it's just about 2 to 3 months which are at stake, which according to me is not a very big risk to take. So definitely rather than waiting for uncertainty and waiting with uncertainty, rather just opt out, start studying, think you're giving November. If you're giving only one group, now you can opt for both the groups and start studying accordingly. So that's what I feel that you should be doing. Of course, you should take your decision properly. Think properly before taking it, because it is a decision which cannot be revoked. Take your family into consideration, sit together and decide, because end of the day only you cannot take this decision. It will be good if you take it with your family and keeping in mind all the points properly. Okay, so that's all. All the best.